You've probably had a glass of water today without a second thought. Here's the strange part. That water is older than the dinosaurs. Not close. Actually, older. It's probably been through a shark, a cloud, and a toilet more than once before it reached you. Here is why I think that to be true, and so do you. Water doesn't get created or destroyed on this planet, it just moves in a giant loop. It evaporates from the ocean, turns into clouds, and falls as rain. Then it soaks into rivers and lakes, and eventually lands in your cup. The exact same molecules have been cycling for billions of years. So really, you're drinking history. And water's got another trick up its sleeve. Almost every liquid gets heavier for its size when it freezes, so the solid form sinks. Water does the opposite. Ice floats. That one weird habit is a huge deal. It means lakes freeze from the top down, not the bottom up.
Fish survive the winter under a roof of ice, instead of being trapped inside a block of it.
But do not let all that recycling fool you. Water isn't unlimited. Over 97% of it is salty ocean water we can't drink. Most of what's left is frozen solid in glaciers. The actual fresh water available to fill your glass is less than 1% of everything on Earth. Small club, and we are all sharing the same bottle. Next time you sip water, remember, it's ancient, it floats when frozen, and there's barely enough to go around. Simple stuff, but it's been quietly running the whole show since before life even existed. So, Water Explained. See you in the next one.